Wait, is this thing on? Oh, hey, welcome back to Rock Naturally, your weekly beauty reporter. And today, let's get excited because I'm coming to you with a new series for the next 12 days until Christmas. We are doing 12 days of beauty. I haven't done Vlogmas before because I don't really vlog, but I was like, what's the closest thing I can get to posting every day for the next 12 days? And it's gonna be 12 days of beauty. What each day will look like is me highlighting a different brand or product that I've used over the past year. I know it was so hard to decide which ones I wanted to do. And I'm gonna talk about why I like them. I may even show them on my face or on my hair, on my skin, depending on what it is. And I'm gonna tell you to leave a comment down below and let me know if you tried this product before. So since today is the first day, I wanted to start with a hair care company because that's why this channel started to begin with. We started because I was like, let me document my natural hair journey. And here we are, years later, still going. And although my natural hair is still here in a bun, this channel is a mix of things: beauty, umbrella, skin, hair, makeup underneath, because I am all things beauty. On Christmas Day, I'm going to be sharing something special. It may even be a giveaway, so make sure you stay for the whole thing. The first company I want to talk about is Melanin hair care. This is not a product or a brand that came out this year. It was just my first time purchasing and using this product. I did use less of the African shampoo soap and more of the leave-in conditioner. I also used the styling cream, which I did not care to use as much because it was just really heavy on my hair, and to me and on my hair it caused a lot of buildup. But I created a whole video about this product at one point right here, so you have to go check it out. My goal is to keep these videos under 5 minutes if possible. And so I just want to say, as you can see here, I practically used this whole bottle. This product is really good. I dropped the pump and the pump stopped working, so I do have to take it off. That's a downside, but really good for folks who are looking for a leave-in. This one I did use some of and will continue to use some of for clarifying my hair, and anytime I'm shampooing I will continue to use these products. I do overall give these products, after using them for an extended period of time, I will give this product right here a 8 out of 10, and then this product right here the same. Don't forget to subscribe and come along with me for the next 12 days to highlight all things beauty, and I'll see you tomorrow.